Let us move on to another important chapter, that is carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. This carbonyl compound plays an important role in metabolic activities. Biomolecules such as protein, carbohydrate contain this carbonyl group, and carbonyl compound plays important role in the industrial also, that is they are important constituent for fabrics, plastics and drugs. For example, formaldehyde is used to the manufacture of bakelite, and paracetamol, which is a drug, it is used to reduce the fever. These are containing the carbonyl group. In this unit, we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, then preparation, properties of these compounds. First, we will discuss the nomenclature of aldehyde and ketones. Following the IUPAC rule, that is prefix, then root word, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. So following this IUPAC rule, now we are going to give name for the particular these compounds, aldehyde and ketones. The first one is HCHO. Common name of this compound is formaldehyde. IUPAC name is, this is only one carbon is present here, so name of this compound is methanol. So we know if it is aldehyde group is present means the name should be end with Al. Remove the E from the parent hydrocarbon and we have to substitute the letter Al. So name of this compound is methanol. Second one is CH3CHO. Common name of this compound is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name, here 2 carbon is present, so ethanol. Third one is CH2 double bond CH-CHO. Common name of this compound is acrolein. IUPAC name is prop-2-enol. Here 3 carbon atom is there, 1, 2, 3 carbon, an aldehyde group is present, and here there is a double bond, so propane. This is considered as the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, so propane 2-enol. Fourth one is CH3 CH double bond CH-CHO. Common name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. IUPAC name is, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is there, so root word is butane. This compound is but-2-enol. And fifth one is OH CH2 CHOH CHO. Name of this compound, common name of this compound is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. IUPAC name here, it contains 2 OH group. first give the numbers to the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. So second and third carbon contains the hydroxyl group. So 2, 3 dihydroxy. Then 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms is there. So root word is propane. Propanil. 2, 3 dihydroxy propanil. The next one is common name of this compound is benzaldehyde. IUPAC name is phenyl methanol. Here this group is considered as the substituent. So this only one carbon is there. This is called as the methanol. One hydrogen is from methanol, one hydrogen is removed and it is substituted by the benzene ring. So phenyl methanol. Next one is CH3OCO-CH3. Common name of this compound is acetone. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 carbon is there. So propanone. Next one is C6H5 C double bond O CH3. Common name of this compound is acetophenone. IUPAC name is methyl phenyl ketone. IUPAC name is acetophenone. The next one is C6H5 C double bond O C6H5. Common name of this compound is diphenyl ketone. 2 phenyl group is there. So diphenyl ketone. IUPAC name is benzophenone.